Make a great choice today with the 2018 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, remote engine start, Bluetooth. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries.